The Himalayan griffon vulture, the bird that looks like it has eyes on its chest. Soaring effortlessly over the towering peaks of the Himalayas, this giant vulture is one of nature's most powerful scavengers. With a wingspan that can reach up to 10 feet, it rides the mountain winds with grace, keeping the skies clean and the ecosystem in balance. Those strange eyes on its chest aren't real, but they sure give it one of the most intimidating and awe-inspiring looks in the animal kingdom. Despite its fierce appearance, this bird plays a heroic role, cleaning up remains that could otherwise spread disease. A true guardian of the mountains.